Can you believe it's already Memorial Day weekend? It's a time to remember all the heroes who gave of their lives so we can live in freedom. As a way to honor them and to keep our red, white, and blue front and center this weekend, we came up with a patriotic stacked poke cake. After baking a white cake mix according to the package directions, we poke each cooled layer with the handle of a wooden or metal spoon. To fill these holes, we mix a jar of marshmallow cream, half with red food coloring and the other half with blue. The red goes on one cake and the blue goes on the other. This is going to ensure that every bite will be looking as patriotic as can be. Next, we'll stack these up and frost the whole thing with whipped topping. A few berries go on top to give this cake its finishing patriotic look. Then, it's ready to serve. From the decadent marshmallow cream filling to the fresh tasting berries, this cake is crazy good. To get the recipe for our patriotic poke cake, simply visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an all-American way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Mm-mm-mm.